here, so I want to double check my work, make sure all the things are tightened down properly, and make sure we're not going to have any issues moving forward. So we do have one that is slightly moving. I didn't see any of the others, and just by using my hand, I couldn't get any of the others to move. I am going to still try to tighten them down as much as possible, and then I'll go ahead and get a video afterwards